Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Want to use green screen effects in CapCut on mobile? Whether you're adding cool effects or changing backgrounds, I'll show you how to do it easily. Let's get started. Open CapCut app on your phone and create new project. Tap Add Video and select your main background clip. Tap Overlay, then choose the green screen video you want to add. Select the green screen overlay in your timeline, scroll through the bottom menu and select Remove BG, then select Chroma key. Tap Color Picker and select the green area in your overlay. Adjust the intensity slider until the green disappears. Use the shadow slider to smooth out the edges and tap OK. Resize and move the overlay to fit your video, add animations or effects for professional look. Make sure the overlay blends well with the background. Once you are happy with the effect, choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. Then tap Export. Save and share your video without the green screen. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.